RJD camp, especially when it comes to Tejasvi Yadav. He held a meeting with his MLAs today. They spoke about what to do now after the elections, but when they were asked questions on these specific allegations that have been made by Rohini Acharya, when they were asked questions, the aides of Tejasvi Yadav and RJD leaders who were part of this meeting, when they were asked questions about why are such claims being made against Sanjay Yadav and also Tejasvi Yadav and his aide Rameez, they said no such discussion took place in that closed-door meeting. Here's the fresh reaction coming in from the RJD.
जिस प्रकार से परिवार में पूरा चलो क्या वरिष्ठ नेता सांसद है जो उनके आरोप हैं
इस पर किसी प्रकार का कोई चर्चा पार्टी में नहीं हुई। पार्टी के लोग, पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी, माननीय राबड़ी देवी जी, तेजस्वी जी, मीसा भारती जी, सारे सीनियर लीडर, जगदानंद बाबू, उदय नारायण चौधरी, सारे लोग थे। अब्दुल बारी,
कोई डिस्कशन रोहिणी आचार्य वाले मुद्दे पे नहीं हुआ, लेकिन क्या
इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।
Mohit, is it believable? The RJD today is staring at a full-blown crisis with Rohini Acharya, the daughter of Lalu Prasad Yadav, making stunning allegations against Tejasvi Yadav and his closest aides Sanjay Yadav and also Rameez. Is it possible that this wasn't discussed in the meeting?
Well, and that has come from the senior RJD member of Parliament, Abhay Kushwaha, who is the MP from Aurangabad. I specifically asked him that what exactly was the discussion on the allegations that have been made by Rohini Acharya, because Sanjay Yadav was also part of this particular meeting. This was a meeting which was being called to review the dismal performance of the RJD in the current elections. And now, when the questions were being asked about Rohini Acharya, they were completely being deflected by the RJD leaders. But I'll give you a sense over here. Now, this is the residence of Tejasvi Yadav as the leader of the opposition, and here the crucial meeting happened. Most of the leaders have led. Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi, they were all part of this meeting. They have led, but Tejasvi Yadav is still inside. We are hoping that we'll get a reaction from him on what exactly he has to say on the serious allegations.
Right now, Mohit, is tight-lipped. You're reporting from outside Tejasvi Yadav's residence. Tejasvi Yadav too has not said a word ever since those allegations have been leveled by his own sister Rohini Acharya. We'll keep coming back to you to get more updates, but time now for us to slip into a short commercial break.